Hey guys, how's it going? So, I just want to show you something. I had seen a video a while back. Some young lady with a Nissan something or other. And she was throwing a fit about proprietary software and stuff like that, and how the shop that she deals with couldn't do her brakes because Nissan does not offer the software for them to unlock it to do the brakes, which is a load of baloney. I got sun glare. I get to see that. So I'm trying to get out of that. Which is a load of baloney. You can purchase, a shop can purchase the software to get in to the systems, and usually it's not expensive at all. For example, the vehicle I'm working on right now, 2020 Jeep Wrangler. To get into the system, you can get into OBD and that's it. But if you needed to get into anything else, you need to unlock the system. To do that, you need this auto auth thing to get in there. It's like $50 a year. So if you're going to a shop and they're telling you that they can't do it because the manufacturer won't release the software, they're lying to you. They are lying to you. So don't throw a fit and think it's the manufacturer, because it's not. It's the place you're dealing with. Okay? This is my own personal scanner. I paid for this scanner. This is a $500 scanner. Okay? It's not a terribly expensive scanner. It's a very good scanner for what it is. It's a $500 scanner. I paid $50 for the software for the program to get into the Chryslers, so I can do whatever I need to do. So if the shop you're dealing with is telling you these things, go somewhere else, because that place is a hack shop. I'm telling you that right now. Let's get into this, and I'm going to show you what you got to do. It's not difficult. Let me show you. All right, so here we go. We're going to go Jeep down here. Okay. You got to be hooked to the internet in the beginning to get into it, because it has to authorize you and allow you to unlock the system. 16-pin. I don't even know why it asked you that, but it always asks. Let's do an automatic search. Please check to make sure there's no communication components installed. What that is, that's like those, like for insurance companies, like the vehicle trackers and stuff like that. Make sure they're not plugged in, because some of those have a piggyback where you can plug into. And I've seen those things create problems in cars where it'll throw codes, all sorts of weirdness. Just had one the other day. I didn't make a video on it, but I just had one the other day. I'll make a separate video talking about that, just a talking point thing. Anyway, so let's just keep going. Communicating. Please keep the connection. Yep. Okay. Vehicle information is important, blah, 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 blah. Yep, that's a 2020 Wrangler. Vehicle is equipped with security gateway module. So in other words, to enter this thing, you have to be able to buy to get into it by paying for the software, which, like I said, $50 a year, and you can do whatever you want. So it's not a big deal. Region select. North America. Now here it is. Auto auth. Okay. Has been unlocked successfully. Communicating. There we go. I can get into whatever I want, to check whatever I want. So it's not a big deal. It really is not a big deal. So I know some of you are going to say, oh, you saw my thing that said Copo clone. Okay. I use that for a million different things. So it doesn't matter. I don't care, because it's the password that I care about. Copo clone is just, people have known me as Copo clone for a long time, and I'll explain that one day. Those of you that know Chevy high performance cars from the 60s, you know what a Copo vehicle is, C-O-P-O. Well, okay. Anyway. But yeah, so I'm not concerned about it. So you guys can say whatever you want. That's fine. I get it. But yeah, so again, if you're dealing with a shop or whatever that says they can't access it, they are lying to you. So Just keep it in mind. All right, guys, let me do what I got to do with this vehicle. I'm not making a video on this particular vehicle because I just got too much to do. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.